Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this VE Commodore. Specifically we're going to be changing the ABS sensor, but in the rear of the vehicle. Now if you do need them, I have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. I think they're $43.30. Don't take my word for it. I actually didn't post this one or buy this one myself, so cruise onto the website. I'll put the link in the description of the video. Check out the part, get it in your hand, then use this video and I'll show you how to fit it and save yourself some money rather than taking the part to a mechanic, etc., and having him charge you $200 for a job that's going to take you 5 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Problem is the camera, getting the camera in there is going to be a little difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where it is, then I'm going to show you the tools required. I'm going to show you, this is how it happens, this is what you don't have to worry about, this is what you do have to worry about. But other than that, guys, I can't really get the camera in there too well. Now guys, just before we do start the video, if you can, give the video a thumbs up just to show me that you appreciate this type of content. And if you can, and if you're doing this type of thing, your DIY repairs on your own cars, subscribe to the channel. I don't have to tell you twice why that helps me out. Alrighty guys, let's jump into the video. He's like, mate, I've done nothing. Alrighty guys, so this is what the ABS sensor looks like. First of all, just like that. There's a little plug just in there. You pull up on the tab, pull the plug out, put it to the side. Pretty straightforward, right? Then that ABS sensor just sits there like that, literally just here. I'm gonna see if I can get in there and show you. Alrighty guys, so you see the ABS sensor right there. Yep, so I think I've got it focused. Yep, looks good. So as I said, you got that little tab there, and see how it's like a little plug. It's a little plug, yeah, you see? And all you do is you use a little flat screwdriver and you lift that plug there, and pull that wire out and move it to the side. Then you're left with just this little piece just chilling, and of course that is a little bolt. Now it's an E-bolt, so if you have an E-bolt set, grab your E-bolt set, you grab your little E-bolt, doing 50 million things at once, and of course you go anti-clockwise, crack the E-bolt, remove that bolt. You remove it by hand. I can't obviously film and remove it at the same time. So you remove it by hand, so it's cracked, pull it all the way out, take that plug off, which I'll grab my screwdriver, and then once you've got the bolt out, stick your bolt somewhere safe, and then just grab the plug head, give it a wiggle, there you go there. It's that easy guys. Rear ABS sensors on the VEs are super straightforward. Of course, you now grab your new one, do the exact same procedure in reverse, get it nice and tight, plug back in, and then grab your scan tool, clear the codes, and hopefully you've got no more ABS lights on your dash. Alrighty guys, so the whole replacement of an ABS sensor on a VE, super straightforward. All you need is that E-bit, find the right size, pull the bolt out, ABS sensor out, new one back in, and that's literally it. Now guys, I hope it's been all straightforward for you. Remember, don't burr the thread on your ABS sensor bolt. If you burr the thread, you're not going to have much fun getting that bolt out. So make sure you get the right E-bit head. But other than that, guys, I hope that it's all gone straightforward. And make sure you, if you can, give the video a thumbs up. And if this is the type of thing you're doing every day, say you're maybe a used car salesman or dealer, definitely subscribe to the channel. You never know when you're going to need information like this one. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas, thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.